Hello children, here I am again for you with our last lesson from block 4. Okay, but before that, tell me what we discussed in the last class. Yes, it was about concrete nouns and abstract nouns. What do you mean by abstract nouns? Right, abstract nouns are the words that name our feelings, some ideas, experiences, qualities or concepts. Okay, so let's come back to our today's class. See, here I have written some sentences. Let's go through this. The worksheet on fractions was returned with corrections and missing subtraction signs. Once again, the worksheet on fractions was returned with corrections and missing subtraction signs. Wow, what a beautiful sentence, right? So, here I have underlined some words. Can you notice it? Which are they? Fractions, corrections and subtraction. These are the words. So, what is the specialty of these words? What is common in all these words? Right. There you can see T-I-O-N in all these words. Here is fraction and here it is correction and here it is subtraction. So here in all these words we can see this T-I-O-N common. How to read this? T-I-O-N common. So how to read this word? Yes, T-I-O-N. It is making the sound like shun. What is it? Shun. It is producing the sound shun. Okay, let's see the second sentences. Here, the kindness and cheerfulness shown by the airline staff made some passengers forget about the seriousness of the situation. Look at the sentence. See, here also I have underlined some words. Which are they? Yes, one is this cheerfulness, kindness and seriousness. So what is common in all these words? Which letter is repeating again and again in all these words? Yes, of course it is N-E-S-S is repeating. So how to read this? Yes, ness. Like in kindness, cheerfulness and seriousness. Okay, so from these paragraphs, here we have found some letters are repeating. What about these two letters? What these letters are called? There is a special name for these group of letters. This shun and ness. Did you know about this? No? Okay, let me tell you. That is called suffixes. See, this is our lesson today. Suffixes T-I-O-N and N-E-S-S. So, what do you mean by the suffixes? Suffixes is a group of letters that comes. We put all these letters after a word to change its meaning. That is meant by the suffixes. If you are looking this word, then it will be clear to you. See, here fraction, correction and subtraction, all these words. Here after all these given words, we are adding this T-I-O-N. So what do you mean by the suffixes? That are a group of letters that we put after a word. Like react. See, this is one word. So, if you are adding this T-I-O-N after this word, then it comes reaction. Okay, here it is already the letter T is there. That is why we just added I-O-N only. Okay, then what about this N-E-S-S? Let's take one example like happy. Okay, this is the word happy. So let's add this N-E-S-S to this word. So it becomes happiness. So if you are adding this the letter Y we need to remove, and instead of that we have to write the letter I, then add this NESS, happiness. Here it comes reaction. Okay, so suffixes means that are the group of letters. So now let's see some more words with this Tion, T-I-O-N and N-E-S-S, ness ending words. See, these are the words: addition, affection, position and addition. Here all these words are ending with T-I-O-N. So the suffix T-I-O-N you can see here in all these words. Okay, then here these all words are ending with N-E-S-S. The suffix here is N-E-S-S, like darkness, fairness, foolishness and evilness. Here all these words are ending with the suffix N-E-S-S after the word, okay, which is coming after the word. So children, this is how you have to find out some more words and add it in these two columns. Okay, you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, now here I is writing two words. One is react and one is kind. Okay, these are the two words. What about the word react? Is it a verb or adjective? What do you mean by verb? Yes, it means action word, and adjective, that means describing word. Right? So here look at this word react. Is it an action word or an adjective? Which one is that? Yes, of course, it is an action word. If you are not doing the homeworks, if you are not completing the works that I have given to you, then how will I react? Yes, by beating or by pinching, right? I react through these actions. So this react means it is an action word. It is a verb. So which suffix we have to add to this word? We have learned two suffix, right? One is T-I-O-N and one is N-E-S-S. So to this word, which suffix we have to add? Right, it is reaction, right? Reaction, this T-I-O-N we have to add, so it becomes reaction. The react, it changed into reaction. And here, what about this word kind? Is it a verb or adjective? Kind. Yes, it is a describing word. What do you mean by describing word? Yes, it describes something or someone. Looks, taste or smells. We can describe by using some words, right? That is we call adjectives, describing words. Both are same. So what about this word kind? Is it a verb or describing word? Yes, it is a describing word. We can use this word kind to describe someone. Like he is kind or the lady is kind. From the previous classes we have discussed. Am I right? Okay, so no doubt it is an adjective, right? It is an adjective. So here, which suffix we have to add? Tion, T-I-O-N or N-E-S-S. Just think about it. Kindtion or kindness. Yes, of course, it is N-E-S-S. Okay, so here we have added N-E-S-S and this react. It is a verb, right? It is an action word. So there we have added E-I-O-N, and in these adjective, these describing word cases, we added N-E-S-S. So from these we can learn something. What is it? Yes, we can make the abstract nouns. Look at this, reaction and kindness. These are abstract nouns. Am I right? So we can make the abstract nouns by adding T-I-O-N to the verb or action words, or this N-E-S-S to this adjectives or this describing words. Let me explain you once more. Here we have made two abstract nouns. These are abstract nouns. This reaction and kindness. So we can make these abstract nouns by adding these suffix tion to a verb or an action word, or by adding ness to an adjective or a describing word. Clear? So let's see two more words. Here ma'am is writing the word connect. Yes, so we can make the abstract noun by adding tion. And what about this action? Yes, act. Here act means it is an action, it is a verb. So we can add this tion. Okay, then this ness case, here I am writing one word. Blind, it is a describing word. So we can add ness. And bright, bright, it is another describing word. So here also we can add ness. Okay, so for describing words, we will be adding ness, and for the verbs, for the action words, we will be adding tion. So hope this is clear to you. So now it's your workbook time. Please take out your workbook page number 29 is for suffixes tion and nes. First question, fill in the blanks with the correct word. What you have to do, here you have to read all these sentences, and inside the bracket some words are given. So with the help of that, you have to fill in this blank. First one, the road was repaired for the dash of the people, but its dash was lost when cracks appeared in the very next day. Yes, the road was repaired for the good of the people, but its goodness was lost when cracks appeared in it very next day. Okay. Then B, when they started their life together, they were young and full of dash. However, as they grew old, their problems made them feel a sense of dash. Yes, hope and hopelessness. Then C, she was the dash of person who was known for her dash. Yes, she was the kind of person who was known for the kindness. And D, not only is there a strong dash between Radha and Sheila, but they also dash to have tea instead of coffee. Here you have to choose likeness first. Okay, then only it will become the correct sense. Not only is there a strong likeness between Radha and Sheila, but they also like to have tea instead of coffee. Okay, this is how you have to do this. Then to create abstract nouns for the words. So there are some words are given according to its action words. If it is an action word, then we will be adding tion, and if it is a describing word, there we will be adding ness. Okay, so predict, prediction, tough, toughness, produce, production, useful, usefulness, fit, fitness, digest, digestion. This is how you can. Then 3, make sentences using each word below. Inform and information. By using these 2 words, you have to make 2 simple sentences. So for inform, is we can make a sentence like, I forgot to inform about the meeting. Or information, yes, I got information from the teachers. And fit and fitness, yes, my body is fit. Then fitness, my papa got a fitness certificate. Okay, this is how you can make any simple sentences. And let's see your PQ practice questions from page number 30. Create abstract nouns by adding tion and nes correctly to the words. Like the same how that we did in workbook, you have to do this by adding tion and nes. You have to make this abstract nouns. Then see the last one, question number 6. Make sentences with these concrete and abstract nouns. Foolishness, construction, ladder, Karnataka. Foolishness. Her foolishness made her lost everything. Then construction. the construction took time to complete. Okay. Then ladder, we can make a sentence like Arun fell from the ladder and he broke his teeth. Okay, this is how you can make. Then G, Karnataka. Yes, I love Karnataka. Or Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, this is how you have to make simple sentence. So children, today we have mainly learned about the suffixes I-O-N, shun, like addition, affection, position, addition, connection, and action, and the suffix N-E-S-S, like in these words, darkness, fairness, foolishness, heaviness, blindness, brightness. And also we have learned one more thing. It's about this abstract nouns. We can make the abstract nouns by adding T-I-O-N to the verbs or action words, or by adding N-E-S-S to the adjectives or describing words. So hope this is clear to you. So be ready for the next class. Till then, bye-bye.